And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson WorkForce WF-2750 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and we're going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. Doesn't really matter which one you guys want to use. And you just want to type in Epson WorkForce WF-2660 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with a support page here that says Epson WorkForce WF-2660. Go ahead and open up that link. And now that we're on this page, just going down underneath the default landing section, underneath downloads, there should be an operating system category dropdown. Select that and then select your appropriate version of Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS even. And once you've made your choice, select the blue Go button. And then just scrolling down again underneath the recommended for use section, select the driver and utility combo package installer and the download button. Open up that file once it's downloaded to your system. Should be a verified publisher. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And then just follow through the on-screen wizard here to install everything you need to use your Epson WorkForce WF-2660 printer. And if you want to have a wired or wireless-based connection, for example, you can make those preferences in there. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.